Hello to all our new kakampis. It's interesting that we call every member of National Teachers College, Inang Tanglao, as a kakampi. Hindi lang kapamilya, hindi lamang kapuso, hindi lamang kapatid, but we call each other kakampi, which is actually an acronym of some sort to describe the core values that make every member of our community stand out from the rest. And before you is an opportunity, a journey to actually develop and live out these values. And our deepest desire is that when you graduate and when you become part of the greater world of possibilities out there, you'd be able to demonstrate them with great pride and passion. Both pride and passion will give you a sense of purpose. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging kakampi? Ka stands for kahusayan, our commitment to excellence. Dito sa Inang Tanglaw, hindi pwede ang pwede na. We always want every member of the community to strive to do the best because this sense of commitment to excellence can bring you farther than you can imagine. When we commit ourselves to doing something, we have to make sure that we do it right and even much better than is expected of us. Because excellence can translate to a lot of benefits and advantages. So when we strive to actually be excellent at things, we are telling everyone and the rest of the world, kayang-kaya namin ito. Ka stands for katapatan. Katapatan stands for our dedication to service. We are not only committed to excellence, we are also committed to a sense of service. When someone asks us, please attend to this, try doing this, we step up to the best of our abilities in order that we can deliver. When we say we are tapat to our paglilingkod, we are telling everyone and anyone out there, we will do that job, that task, because we want you, our partners, our teachers, our fellow learners, happy, and they are able to manifest a sense of joy and fulfillment. Ang isang kakamping, tapat at tunay na naglilingkod, ay pinaniniwalaan nating naghahatid ng tunay na ligaya sa kanyang mga kasama. This means to say that every kakampi is a beacon of selfless service. And not only that, we do and deliver service with a great sense of belonging. M stands for malasakit, or the effective concern for others. Truth be told, on a daily basis, we all come from different backgrounds, from different dispositions, and may I say, different temperaments. Maaring namali ng gising, maaring may kakulangan, maaring may pinagdaraanan. And because of this, we need to manifest that ultimate sense of sensitivity and, more importantly, sympathy, and best of all, empathy to the people around us. If we actually try our best to understand where every learner, every teacher, every leader, every staff member is coming from, we can relate with them better. Walang masama kung sa araw-araw ay binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon ang bawat isa sa atin para matanong, okay ka lang ba? Mayroon ba akong gustong sabihin at maitulong para sa iba? These are the things that make sympathy, concern, empathy really tangible and concrete. And at the end of the day, even if it already hurts us, we will try our best to exert all effort and understanding to be of help to our fellow kakampi, because we believe that what we are able to extend as a form of malasakit or concern for our fellow kakampi, we are actually extending it to our entire community. At sa huli, lahat ng mga kakampi dahil sa malasakit ay nagwawagi. P. Pagkamalikhain. Creativity and innovation. This, I've got to tell you, is what makes me so proud of the story behind each kakampi striving to be the best version of themselves as they journey with National Teachers College. Kulang sa pera, may malikhaing paraan. Kulang sa kasanayan, may innovative solution dyan. Kulang sa kaibigan, nako, may creative solution din yan. Dito sa Inang Tanglaw, hindi dahilan ang ating mga kakulangan, ang ating kahirapan, o ang ating kawalan ng kaibigan para hindi maging mabunga ang ating paglalakbay. On the one hand, while we are constrained by too many problems or difficulties, it is our ability to see in the foreseeable future what will happen if you're able to go through these challenges. That's what matters to every kakampi. And when the difficulty is really felt, you pause, you stop, and think through what the real issues are. And instead of ranting over social media, thinking that it is the more creative way to solve things, we will reach out to other people, our classmates, our teachers, our supervisors, our leaders, and our staff, so that together you can formulate the right solutions in order to address your problem. Naniniwala kami sa Inang Tanglaw na kapag nasanay tayo sa paghahanap ng mga mabisang solusyon sa ating mga suliranin, nagiging mas matibay ang ating paninindigan na makipagsabayan sa anumang posibilidad sa mundo. Kaya mga kakampi, stretch your limitations and make sure that in each of those stretchings, you find the creative version of yourself. I stands for integridad or integrity. Excellence, kahusayan, loyalty, katapatan, malasakit, effective concern, pagkamalikhain, creativity and innovation are all useless if you don't have a sense of integrity. And for every kakampi, integrity means doing things right and doing the right things even when no one is looking. Integrity and honesty go together. If we believe in the power of integrity and honesty in our work, in our study, then there will be no difficulty telling the rest of the world, tunay kong pinaghirapan yan at maipagmamalaki mong bunga yan ng iyong dugo at pawis. Integrity is one thing that the rest of the world is in need of right now. People who actually veer away and move away from integrity are the ones that are capable of sowing so much stress, disinformation, or misinformation, anything that counters the truth, just because it's convenient to do so. Pero ang pagsisinungaling ay kakambal ng pagiging magnanakaw. We do not want to steal away from every kakampi the opportunity to demonstrate growth and grit by focusing on the truth. Sometimes it will hurt to tell someone that something is wrong. And it will hurt or break friendships when you call the attention of authorities in order to correct something erroneous. But that's something that improves the moral fiber of our community. Kapag nagsasabi ng tapat, nagsasama ng maluwat. That's how we believe things as Filipinos. And it's still the same here at Inang Tanglao. I really hope that every day becomes a celebration of truth and integrity, whether you are in the classroom, at the cafeteria, at our entrances and exits, and even on your way home and outside of the campus, because ang bawat kakampi ay nakikilala sa kanyang pagmamahal sa integridad at katotohanan. While truth will hurt, it is a guarantee that you will learn better and become a much better individual. Madali lang tandaan, di ba mga kakampi? Ang ka ay para sa kahusayan. Ang ka ay para rin sa katapatan. Ang M ay para sa malasakit. Ang P ay para sa pagkamalikhain. At ang I ay para sa integridad. May your journey at National Teachers College every day and even beyond your years of study here be a celebration of these values. Ang mga pagpapahalagang ito ay marka ng tunay na kakampi. And may this guide you as you make future decisions and even daily choices, because they will make you feel and understand that these values define the real character of an NTCian. Because all of these values lead to wisdom. At ano ang paniniwala natin sa Inang Tanglao? Ang karunungan ay tanglaw.